Fxpro versus Exness, which is the best broker. Today, we will discuss about the pros, cons, features, and pricing of Fxpro and Exness. Here is my honest opinion. What are the pros? Fxpro operates under stringent regulatory frameworks, including FCA and SIAC, ensuring a secure trading environment and adherence to international standards of financial security. Fxpro offers a diverse selection of platforms, including MT4, MT5, CTrader, and Fxpro Edge, catering to various trading styles with advanced charting tools and algorithmic trading capabilities. Renowned for competitive spreads and rapid execution, Fxpro maximizes potential profits while minimizing slippage, appealing to cost-conscious traders. Fxpro prioritizes trader education, providing webinars, tutorials, and market analysis tools to empower traders with knowledge and insights into market trends. What are the cons? While Fxpro offers a wide range of trading platforms, it may prioritize platform variety over technological innovation compared to Exness. Fxpro may have a higher minimum deposit requirement, potentially posing a barrier to entry for traders with limited capital. Let's talk about features, regulatory compliance, and security, range of trading platforms, competitive spreads and execution speed, education and research resources. Let's talk about pricing. Fxpro offers competitive spreads and multiple account types, each with its own fee structure and minimum deposit requirement. Exness. What are the pros? Exness stands out for its diverse selection of account types, catering to traders of all levels with options like Mini, Classic, ECN, and Pro accounts. With multilingual support available 24/7, Exness ensures responsive assistance, enhancing the overall trading experience for its clients. Exness provides competitive leverage options and low minimum deposit requirements, making trading accessible to traders with varying budget sizes. Exness invests in technological innovation, offering advanced trading tools and user-friendly mobile apps for seamless trading experiences. What are the cons? While Exness adheres to regulatory standards, some traders may perceive Fxpro's regulatory compliance under FCA and SIAC as more robust. Compared to Fxpro, Exness may offer fewer educational resources and research tools, potentially limiting the learning opportunities for traders. Let's talk about features, wide range of account options, exceptional customer support, leverage options, and low minimum deposits, technological innovation. Let's talk about pricing. Exness offers competitive spreads and leverage options, along with low minimum deposit requirements. Considering the diverse needs of traders, it's essential to evaluate your priorities and preferences before selecting a broker. If you prioritize regulatory compliance, platform variety, and comprehensive educational resources, Fxpro may be the ideal choice for you. On the other hand, if you value account variety, exceptional customer support, and technological innovation, Exness could better align with your trading goals. Ultimately, the decision between Fxpro and Exness depends on your individual requirements and preferences. It's advisable to explore demo accounts, engage with the trading community, and conduct thorough research before making a final decision. By aligning your choice of broker with your trading objectives, you can embark on a successful Forex trading journey with confidence.